morning, traders, and welcome back. Today's daily reminder for your trading is simple, guys. Success occurs when opportunity meets preparation. And what does this mean, guys? It means to be prepared. You're going to be successful today and every other trading day that you take upon the markets, that you take upon yourself. You need to make sure that you're prepared. This is why we constantly harp on being prepared for whatever happens. If the market wants to go up, good. If the market wants to go down, good. It doesn't matter which way it wants to go. Let's prepare for either occasion and let's get that money. So that's it for today, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Make that money.
More money, more money! Ah, it's all very exciting.